channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Kobe, and I'm back with another video, man. As y'all seen by the thumbnail and the title, we is currently on E. We do need some gas, but we not finna let that stop us. We finna just get some content in on our way. First, we gotta go get some air in the tire, because I'm tired of looking at this tire light. Hold on. See, she ain't even want to go for real because we on empty. So first, back to what I was saying, first we gonna go get some air in the tire, then we gonna get some gas. But before we do that, y'all know I gotta get y'all a quick little POV, some content while we doing that. So that's what our day finna consist of today. Putting some air in the tire and getting some gas. Oh my God. Baby don't even want to ride for real. She say, I'm thirsty, nigga. You pushing me and I'm thirsty. Man, I can't see around this bus, bro. Matter of fact, we just gonna get out there. This Honda wanna play? You wanna play? He eating, he don't wanna play. I know a lot of y'all probably thinking, why you pushing your car if you said you ain't got no gas in it? Man, I'm not worried about that, gang. We gonna get y'all this content. That's what matter right now. If I ain't worried about the car, y'all don't be worried about the car. You feel me? Hold on, let me get this windshield right for y'all. I could barely see out of it. Oh, he look like he wanna play. I think the Honda want to play. I think we got us one. I think we got us one. Follow him. Come on, man, get out the way. Ooh, hey, that's what I like to see. Yeah. Bro cutting up, I ain't gonna lie. tried me. He tried me like I was green. Where he at? I don't know. He tried me. I don't know why he did that, but it looked good for a second. He was cutting up. That boy tried me. Don't do it. I don't know what kind of Honda that was, but hey, he was doing something a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, give it to you. If you watching this video, bro, you had you one for a second. I shook back though, I shook back. Oh man, we gotta get this air pressure. I'm tired of looking at this tire light on. And we're gonna go get that gas. Woo-wee, boy, it's hot outside, man. It's hot. Y'all boys, we currently back from getting PSI, getting air in the tire. As y'all can see, the tire light is off now. Now it's time to go get gas. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, is that a Urus? Oh my God. Y'all look at that Urus. Sheesh. That mug crazy. One day we'll be in the years. Ay, mami. Sheesh. That road got a little bumpy.
Not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham.